Let's learn the meaning of the idiom, let the cat out the bag. This means to reveal a secret, often unintentionally or by accident. Like when you accidentally tell someone about a surprise party or a big plan that was supposed to stay a secret. It looks like this guy in the picture has said something he shouldn't have said. This phrase likely comes from medieval markets in England, where sellers would sometimes sneak a cat into a sack instead of a piglet to cheat buyers. If someone opened the bag, they'd reveal the trick and spoil the seller's plan. Another idea is that it comes from the cat-o'-nine-tails whip, used as a punishment on ships. It was stored in a bag, so letting the cat out of the bag meant trouble was coming. Let's see some more examples. It's party day. I can't believe nobody let the cat out the bag. The cat is out of the bag. Just look at number 4. And finally, your dad nearly let the cat out the bag last week, but I've managed to keep it a secret for months. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more idioms and expressions.